Hi, my name's Hamdan. I'm a fourth year dental student at QMUL University. I'm also the UK representative at UKDentalCourses. Today it's really exciting. We have Cathy at BTI Biotechnology. Can you tell us more about the services and products you provide, Cathy?
Sure, yeah. At BTI Biotechnology, we're based in northern Spain, Vitoria in northern Spain.
Okay,
we have
nice.
an institute out there. We're essentially a biomedical company. I am within the dental division, but we have other areas such as traumatology, ophthalmology.
Okay, wow.
Yeah, lots
Quite
of areas.
a nice breadth.
Exactly, but our specialism is dental implants.
That's amazing.
And ENDRET PRGF technology. So that's a regenerative technology using a high growth factor concentration from a patient's blood in order to achieve bone and soft tissue healing.
Oh, that's fantastic. And is this something new that it's just started coming out, this product?
Well, no, I mean, we have 25 years of robust science behind ENDRET PRGF technology. There are other plasma products on the market, and we are very unique in the fact that we're the only product that has no leukocytes within within the plasma, which is important in terms of preventing inflammatory response when you so in that sense we can achieve new bone and new soft tissue healing. So that would be something very unique to ENDRET. And yeah, I mean the technology progresses all of the time, but actually in essence the procedure hasn't changed in 25 years. You know, it works. We know it works, and it's a case of educating people on how to produce it, how to process it, so that you can reproduce that clinical evidence in terms of your clinical outcomes and your patient.
Okay, that's amazing.
So we do a lot of education, and customer support in that sense. And I guess the other thing to mention with BTI is our implant extraction kit. So, you know, we're a great believer that if you are placing implants, your treatment has to be reversible as well. So we have a universal extraction kit.
Oh, that's amazing.
Which is compatible with several implant systems, and it allows atraumatic removal of implants, preserving that bone bed. So that you can retreat with a new implant or socket preservation, whatever that patient requires.
Oh, that's fantastic for the patients that you're looking into that. And is the company, I think you've touched on this, it's not just UK based, it's worldwide.
We are a global company. So as I said, we're based in Vitoria in northern Spain. We have subsidiaries in several countries. So I manage the UK and Ireland subsidiary. But we have others in France and in Spain and Portugal, in Germany, in Mexico, in the States, in Canada. And in any countries that we don't have an active subsidiary, we have distributors. So we have partners globally. So everywhere.
So it's wide reaching.
Yeah.
Okay, that's perfect. And your role in the company, what do you do exactly?
So I am General Manager for UK and Ireland. I manage the subsidiary in every way, looking after a team of territory managers that work with me. But my role is very hands-on as well. So I'm very customer focused, you know.
Okay, that's amazing.
I support the team and I run the business, but what's most important to me is the direct customer contact. So I live in Ireland actually, and so the Irish part of our business I manage directly, which is great because then you know, you can do more than manage the business. I like to actually talk to people. Okay,
that's amazing.
So yeah, that's us. We're very fast growing here in the UK and in Ireland, which is fantastic. You know, we have a very easy to use implant system, very good for graduates, very good for, you know, it's a slow, non-irrigated drilling protocol, very simple, just 2 or 3 drills and your implant is placed. So it's great for anybody in any stage of their career, and the long-term outcomes are fantastic. We specialise actually in short and extra short implants and treatment of the atrophic maxilla. So where a patient may have be compromised in such as ridge in terms of vertical or horizontal bone, instead of having to do invasive procedures and big augmentation procedures, we can offer a solution. We have very short and narrow implants.
Okay, that's perfect.
So yeah,
really good solutions for the patients.
Excellent.
And is there anything in the works that we can see, anything exciting for the future?
There's always innovation with BTI. Yeah, our institute and the clinical team there are always working in new areas, not just with new products, but with variations on our products. So we recently improved our tie-base abutments to make them more user-friendly for the labs.
Yeah.
So that would be a very recent innovation. But in terms of BTI, it's worth mentioning that our EndoRep PRGF technology has recently started to be used in reproduction as well, so in fertility treatments. So it's another area.
Very versatile, so many different uses.
Yeah, and I think this is just going to continue to grow and expand.
Oh, that's amazing.
So yeah, BTI are very well known for the innovations and just continuing the science. Our founder and our owner is still Dr. Eduardo Anitwa, and he leads the clinical team there. He's our scientific director. And he is very well known as being a considerable figure in research in Spain, particularly, but then he's very well known globally as well. So, yeah, it's our backbone really, innovation.
Amazing. And where can people find more information about the company?
Well, we do have a website. People can go to the BTI Biotechnology website, but the best thing is to contact one of us here in the UK. Yeah. So myself, Cathy Padmore. I can be contacted. Are you happy for me to provide email address and that? Yeah. So it's Cathy with a C, Cathy.Padmore@bti-implant.co.uk. That's probably the best way. And then I can forward anybody to any other part of the company if need be.
Yeah, that's perfect.
Or to one of my team, and we can look after everybody.
Can we also see you in person at different dental exhibitions? There's plenty in London and all over the UK. Will we be able to find a stall where we can communicate to your team?
Absolutely. So we exhibit at as many events as we can get to. Really, we do the events in London. This year we've been Manchester, Edinburgh, Southwest in Bristol.
We've been very busy.
We have been everywhere.
The calendar's full.
Yeah, this is the thing. I mean, we're a small team, but we like to bring BTI to the customers.
Absolutely.
And I think that can be the best way. To talk to people and find out exactly what their interests are.
I agree.
Before meeting them in person sometimes. So yeah, it's we can be found everywhere. We're on the circuit.
Thank you so much. It's been really insightful and really exciting getting to know yourself and the company. And we look forward to seeing more things and more innovation for your company. And we hope you enjoy the conference today.
Will do. Thank you.
Lovely meeting you.
Thanks a million.